Go on then, Lucia. Go on, Liz. Go on, Alicia. Get him. Get the horse. You're running like a scream. Right, come here. Come take this. Yeah, you're drenched. I'm only drenched at one leg. Look at him digging. It's like a dog digging for a bone. Charlie, that's enough now. Charlie. Oh my god. Charlie. Right, stop. Oh my god. He's trying to get you wet. He still thinks you're behind.
Right, let me approach it.
Right, go get him now. Right, get him then, or he's just going to get you. Right, careful at the opening in the stables. Don't let him go there. See you later. Careful. Let him see you in front at first. He's going to get you in a minute. Right, get him now. That's the farmer.